Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Guide. Last time, we talked about why you understand English but can't speak. Today, we're going one step further. We'll learn how to think in English without translating every word in your head. Sounds difficult? Don't worry, I'll make it super simple. So let me ask you something. When you hear a question like, "What did you eat for breakfast?" what happens in your mind? Most learners quickly translate it into their native language. Then think of the answer, then translate it back into English. Right? That's why speaking feels slow and stressful. But fluent speakers don't do that. They think directly in English. And the good news is, you can too. Let's see how. First, start with small thoughts in English. Don't wait for big grammar or long sentences. Just short, simple thoughts. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, "I'm awake. It's morning. I feel sleepy." That's it. You don't need to translate anything. Keep your thoughts short and clear. Second, use your surroundings. Look around and name what you see in English. For example, "This is my phone. The fan is on. I'm drinking coffee." This trains your brain to describe the world in English, naturally. Third, talk to yourself in English throughout the day. You don't have to speak loudly. Even in your mind is fine. When you walk, think, "I'm going to the shop." When you eat, "I'm eating rice." When you rest, "I'm tired. I'll take a break." The more you do this, the faster your mind connects thoughts with English words. Fourth, stop translating unknown words. If you forget one word, use another simple one. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, just say rain thing or the thing for rain. It's okay. That's exactly how you grow fluency, by keeping the flow, not perfection. And here's a bonus tip. Watch and repeat real-life English. Use short clips, YouTube videos, or podcasts. Listen, pause, and speak the same line. Do it daily, even for 5 minutes. This helps you connect English sound to English thought directly. Let's do a tiny practice together. Imagine you're walking outside. Say in your mind, "The weather is nice. I see people walking. I hear a car. I'm going to the shop." See? No translation, just clear, direct thinking. All right, let's wrap it up. Today we learned how to think in English naturally, without translating in your head. You learned 4 easy steps. Think small thoughts, describe your surroundings, talk to yourself, and stop that. Start doing this every day, even for 5 minutes, and in a few weeks, you'll notice a big change in your fluency. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide. And tell me in the comments, do you usually think in English or in your native language? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. 5 daily English habits to speak naturally.